Is it the right time to make a decision about Uber stock? Let's dig deep into Uber. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 7, 2024. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 9, 2024, our system has ranked Uber as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the past 21 days since we recommended buying Uber, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 17.16%. This translates to an average return of 0.82% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken a strong short-term upward trend and is now showing an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $70.20, which could provide a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, there is a resistance level at $77.40 that may not be broken on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 27.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 13.49% and 26.45%. As for the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 98.67% over the next year, with a possible return between 40.44% and 88.52%. This translates to a price range of $99.22 to $133.19 after 12 months. Our latest update on Uber's stock reveals a positive trend. On Wednesday, the stock gained 0.255%, resulting in a price increase from $70.47 to $70.65. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains for Uber. It will be interesting to see if this upward momentum continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations, ranging from a low of $67.24 to a high of $71.90, representing a 6.93% difference. Over the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 7 of them, showing a 10.81% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume has increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. Overall, there were 12 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 43 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.05 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price reached $71.90, while the lowest price was $29.22. Currently, the stock is trading at 1.74% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $1.25. It's worth noting that the current price of $70.65 also represents the all-time high for Uber's stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, it was reported that JMP Securities gave Uber a grade of market outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Uber a grade of buy with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Bank of America Securities gave Uber a grade of buy with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wells Fargo gave Uber a grade of buy with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Truist Financial gave Uber a grade of underperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have given a general buy rating to Uber stock. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Uber's stock. The Uber stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, the stock will find support at $68.15 and $63.51. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 5, 2024. Since then, the stock has already risen by 22.7%. This suggests that there is potential for further growth until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising alongside the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, it is currently giving a buy signal. Pivots, it gave a buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger Bands, it gave a buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term Moving Average, it gave a sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, it gave a buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. Short Moving Average, it gave a buy signal 21 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, it gave a buy signal 67 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it gave a buy signal 59 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Uber. Uber's stock has some key support levels to keep an eye on. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume supporting the stock at $62.50 and $61.86. It's important to understand that when a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In Uber's case, if the current support at $62.50 is broken, the next support levels to watch out for are at $61.86 and $58.63. Now, let's assess the risk associated with trading Uber's stock. This stock has average movements during the day in good trading volume, which means the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $4.66 between its high and low, representing a 6.93% difference. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.57%. Before we delve into potential trading levels for Uber, let's first go over some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Uber's P/E ratio is currently quite high, which suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 30, 2024. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Uber. Looking at the accumulated volume, there doesn't seem to be any significant resistance above, indicating that the stock has the potential to move upward rapidly under the right circumstances. This presents an opportunity for you to enter a position and use volume as a guide to determine when to exit. On the downside, Uber encounters its first support level at $62.50. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for Uber, according to multiple analysts, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Thane John A. made an insider purchase of 371 shares of common stock. On the same day, Thane John A. sold 371 shares of restricted stock units. Another insider, Tony West, bought 1,806 shares of common stock on January 16, 2024. However, Tony West also sold 1,240 shares of common stock on that day. In addition, Tony West acquired 5,604 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -12.018, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders purchased 71,031 shares and sold 90,916 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $67.36, which represents a decrease of 4.65%. With medium daily movements, this stock carries a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 22 days ago. Is Uber stock a good buy? While Uber holds several positive signals, we believe it may not be enough to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, it should be considered as a hold candidate in this position, allowing for further development. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 8, we anticipate Uber to open down $0.720 and begin trading at $69.93. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Let us know. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a successful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.